People that know us know that we're kind of known for doing race cars. Of course, if you saw a previous video on the Smurf. But we have a few more here. We have a 68 Camaro. Anybody that street raced in Orlando back in the 70s and 80s might remember that car. It was called the Ratified. We're changing it up a little bit now. And then here we have a 66 Nova. It's a bracket car, big tire bracket car. We're getting ready to change it. Guy hasn't quite named the car yet, but it's going to an orange. So I kind of told him it should be Orange Julius, but it's up to the owner to decide that. This one here is a street race car. 1988 Thunderbird. Small block Ford. Has a C4 automatic. 8.8 rear, Moser axles, true track. It's a pretty wicked little street car. And that one is called the Dirty Bird. And then here we have a Caprice that's actually going to be a donk. So we're getting all the metal work and stuff done on it now. Getting it ready. Gonna go a pearl white, black vinyl roof, all new upholstery. And over here, I don't know what you want to call this thing. Alex's Pride, I guess. Little Mazda pickup. You can see all this custom suspension framework we did. It's bagged. All the motor mounts and everything. Right over there in the corner is the 5.3 LS that's going in it. That'll all be a pretty much a little beast. And of course, you know, the Gangsta, the 39 Buick, not a race car, but it's a cruiser. And then here's the new quarter panel for the 72 Monte Carlo from our friends at Year One. Great place. Any GM parts you need, they have it, and they ship fast. Order these parts on Monday. They were here on Thursday. Great job.
Stay badass.
Stay badass. Stay badass.